Hello guys, once again I would like to teach you how you can make a screenshot in your phone. The screenshot, it helps you when you are on Facebook or WhatsApp. When you shoot it, you can share with other people whatever conversation you were chatting with a certain person, so that there is no secret of whatever you were chatting. If you want to reveal that person out, what you must do, here is the phone here. You can see here there is a power off button here. In this side there is again the volume up and down, and again here there is the menu button. So what you do here, you can swipe it. You see that you can go to menu here, and you press these three buttons at once. The three buttons I'm talking, this power off, you hold it, and again this one, the power, the volume up and down, you hold it, and again the menu button here, you press them at once here. You will see that it has shoot the picture. If you go to the gallery, you will see that you will see the photo of whatever you shoot. So it's not a big deal.